In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to edit blog posts on Wix, a popular website builder. We will be working with your user dashboard on Wix.com to make these edits, so you can customize your content anytime you wish. Start by accessing the Wix website. Once your browser loads it, you want to log into your account. If you are not logged in, enter your login details and authenticate yourself. When you find yourself on the dashboard, which is the primary interface of your Wix account, take a brief moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This dashboard is where you manage and control all aspects related to your Wix website, be it customizing your website's appearance or managing your blog posts, which we will focus on today. On the dashboard's home screen, direct your attention to the left corner of your screen. This is where you will locate the blog option. Go ahead and click on blog. Doing so will present a drop-down list or new window, depending on your dashboard setup, specific to blog management. Here, we're interested in the Posts option. Find the Posts button and click on it. This action leads you to the section with all your blog posts listed in an orderly manner. After successfully clicking on Posts, give the system a few seconds, around 5 should be sufficient, to load your blog posts. Once the blog posts are visible on your screen, browse through the posts and select the one you would like to edit. Perhaps you noticed a typo, or you want to update the blog post with some new information. This step is where you do that. Now, locate the Edit button. The Edit button usually appears when you hover over the blog post thumbnail or at the corner of the blog post. Once you've found the Edit button, click on it. You are now in edit mode. Here you can change the title, alter the content, or do any changes you desire. And with that, you have successfully edited a blog post on Wix. Remember, you can follow this process anytime you wish to make an update or modification to your blog posts. We believe that delivering up-to-date and edited content is key to maintaining an engaged online audience. Happy blogging with Wix!